Hallo! Today we are diving into the world of the top 8 most popular German sayings, uncovering their meanings and the wisdom they hold, with the best one at the end of this video. So yeah, without further ado, let's start. Nummer 1. Der frühe Vogel fängt den Wurm. Directly translated, the early bird catches the worm. This saying encourages early action, implying that those who wake up early are likely to succeed. For example, arriving to a concert earlier to get the best places. Nummer 2. Aller Anfang ist schwer. So to say, all beginnings are hard. Imagine embarking on a new journey, starting something new, something you've never tried before, and you're so excited, but you feel overwhelmed by the challenges that are waiting for you ahead. That's when you have to remember this saying. It's usually used to comfort someone who is starting something new and remind them that initial challenges are something normal. Saying number 3. Alle gute Dinge sind drei. All good things come in threes. It's an optimistic way to say that good things often come in groups of 3. But usually people say that when they do something, so that they will do that thing 3 times. For example, after 2 unsuccessful attempts of making a pie, someone tries it for the 3rd time and succeeds. Nummer 4. Aus den Augen, aus dem Sinn. Out of sight, out of mind. This phrase suggests that one can easily forget about things or people they are not seeing regularly. It can also be seen as a gentle nudge to let go of something and keep moving forward. Nummer 5. Einen, kühlen, Kopf, bewahren. In times of stress and chaos, it's important to keep a cool head. Kühlen, Kopf, bewahren. This saying advises to stay calm and not to become overly emotional in difficult situations. Basically, have a clear vision. Nummer 6. Einmal ist keinmal. One time or once is never. This saying means that doing something only once is as good as not doing it at all. It's often used to suggest that you must do something repeatedly to count or to make an impact. Or well, you can also use it as an excuse to do something forbidden. But only once, only once. Saying number 7. Lügen, haben, kurze, Beine. Lies have short legs. To keep it short, lies won't get you far since they will be discovered pretty soon. Because you know, short legs cannot run fast. Short legs, kurze Beine. And now, finally, the last one. The most important one. Nummer 8. The golden rule is, was du nicht willst, dass man dir antut, das füg auch keinem anderen zu. Translated, do not treat others in ways that you would not like to be treated. It's a timeless reminder to treat others with kindness and compassion and to respect each other, which is quite important nowadays, but many people just forget about it. And there you have it, 8 insightful German sayings that offer wisdom for navigating through life's twists and turns. Which one resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Also, since the German language is so extensive, there will be a part 2 soon. So make sure to subscribe to not miss that. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for being here and bis bald.